Welcome viewers to the SD online classes. Here today we are doing the next topic on gravitation and flotation chapter. This is mass and weight. Mass in our day-to-day life we have come across. What is mass? It is the quantity of matter contained in a body. In a body means in an object. Okay. The quantity of matter contained in a body. SI unit is what? kg, kilogram, right? It is denoted by what? Mass is denoted by small m, okay. The weight is denoted by capital W. So this is the one. So these are the two things we are going to do. How do we measure mass? It is measured using pan balance, that is common balance, okay. The balance that we use to measure anything is simply measuring. How do we measure? Because F1 equal to GM_m1 by r square, right, for one object. Another object GM_m2 by r square for two objects, okay. For two objects m1 and m2, this is true. F1 will be the force due to the earth on the object, due to the earth on the other object, and after that if I divide F1 by F2, what will get? M1 by M2 will get. That means if I compare the two forces, two of the forces, then we will get the idea about the two masses, okay. This is how we measure. If the two bodies are equal, that is if F1 is equal to F2, that will mean that M1 and M2 are same. Two equal masses will be pulled by the earth in the same amount of force. That is how mass is understood, okay. Similarly, weight also has another concept. We will continue that. So weight is like this. Weight is what? The weight of a body is the force, okay. Weight is the weight of the body is what? It is the force, remember, with which a body is attracted by the center of the earth. So what is that? W equal to mass of the body into acceleration due to gravity. So mass and weight also has connection, okay. So this is the formula of weight. W is equal to mg is the. So what is SI unit? SI unit is what? Force into mass into acceleration, Newton. Also we write N. In the second chapter also we did this. And mass is what? Scalar quantity. It has only magnitude, no direction. Weight is a vector quantity. It has direction also, okay. It has magnitude, the value, and its direction also is there. Weight is measured using spring balance. Okay. Now at the center of the earth, what will happen here? G is 0. See, this G is 0. So mass may be 10 kg, 10,000 kg, 200 kg, whatever. The weight cannot be anything, because this will become 0. At the center of the earth, weight is 0. Now at poles, what will happen? G is maximum. You see here, G is maximum, so weight will be maximum there. So G is maximum, so W will also be maximum. You understand now why the mass changes, but weight mass is not changing, but weight can change at different places, okay. Similarly, if you go to equator, what is poles and equator we have done in the previous video also. G is minimum, so W is minimum, or you can call it less also, okay. So when the G increases with the altitude, okay, the weight also decreases with altitude, what will happen? G decreases, so W decreases. That means if you go to some very high place, there your weight will be less because G is less there. Similarly, with depth, if you go inside the earth, G will decrease, so W will decrease there also. Okay, like this there are differences, common differences also, that mass is same everywhere but weight depends on G, acceleration due to gravity. Okay, SI unit you already know, how it is measured also we know, what is definition. There are 5 things I'll quickly tell you. First is that mass is the matter contained in the body, okay, but weight is not the mass contained, the matter contained, it is the force. Mass is scalar quantity, it cannot give you direction, but weight is vector quantity, it also tells you about the direction. The third thing is mass is everywhere same, it cannot change. If you, even if you go to Jupiter or the moon also, the mass is 70 kg, 70 kg will remain, but if you measure the weight will be very less in other places than on the earth if you go outside the earth. So similarly, mass is measured with the help of physical balance, normal balance that we measure potato and sugar in the shop, like that, okay, but the spring balance is used, and a type of spring balance is like this, okay, to hang something like this you will use for the measuring the weight. And SI unit of mass is kg, whereas SI unit of the weight is Newton, because it is the force. Okay, this is all in this video. Thank you. Now next, in the next video we'll try to do some numericals based on the gravitation topic. Okay, thank you.